All right, exciting day. The Mojito giveaway Gladiator is back in front of the camera. Now, the last time you might have seen it is on our socials when we had all that Motobilt armor laid out in front and we were asking you what color should we have it powder coated. Now, a lot of you said go with that accent trim gray. So we did some searching and it turns out Prismatic Powders has one that's really close. It's called Forged Charcoal. So we had the bumpers and the side armor done in that, and this is how it came out. We think it came out great. One of the reasons is because it's just not another black bumper. Now you know the drill. We've got to get rid of this cheesy plastic factory bumper and install the new Motobilt bumper. All right, factory bumpers are really easy to peel off. We've just got these couple clips right here in the top. Then depending on your model year, you might have these clips right across the front here. Older ones don't, they just have the two on the top of this panel. The newer ones have these extra clips holding this panel in place. And now this piece can get out of there. Now from underneath, we've got two little 8mm screws. Then we've got 8 more center pin clips, and you just want to grab the edge of them and pop them down, and they're going to come out. And we just got to work our way all along the bottom. All right. And then down she comes. Now you can reach in behind, and you've got this little yellow lock right here, and just lift it up and she comes right apart. All right, then we've got these two bolts here. They take a 15mm socket. Now to get the bumper itself off, you've got 4 studs on each frame rail. There's 2 on the outside of the frame rail, 2 on the inside, on each side. And they have a nut on the back side. It takes an 18mm socket. Now that we've got them loose, it's time for some power. All right, now my favorite part. Maybe. Now for the winch, we've got one of the Zeon XDs. This is a fairly new winch for them. It's kind of a remodel of their Zeon, and I really like these. All right, don't forget your winch fair lead mount. All right, a pro trick is to take your nuts and throw a dab of silicone on either side. And then slide them right in. And that'll help them set up and lock in place. You can even grab a bolt just to make sure they're lined up. And then on goes our winch. So there you go, the Hammer Series front winch bumper from Motobilt. And as you can see from the install, it was pretty easy. We really didn't have much drama at all putting this on. Now it is formed in welded steel. This is a nice heavy duty bumper. It's got 2 heavy duty recovery points on it. And one of the things I like about the Hammer Series is it's a little bit wider than a lot of stubby bumpers that are gonna come right at the edge of the grill. This sticks out a little bit more. That'll give us a little more protection. It also gives us a little bit more room on the back for remote resis for a remote reservoir shock. Now we did go with the optional skid plate from Motobilt, and we had that powder coated in black. And there's a couple reasons we did that. One is so it just kind of fades away and really lets that forged charcoal front bumper pop. The other is to make it easier to touch up, because this is what's gonna get scratched up. And we will be taking this off-road because we gotta test all the equipment that we install on that. That'll be coming in an upcoming video. Now for the winch, we went with a Warren Zeon XD 12S. That's got the synthetic rope on it, and it's the Zeon winch. These are built right here in the USA, down in Clackamas, Oregon. Now, a 12,000 pound winch is a little overkill for a Gladiator, but there wasn't a lot of penalties between a 12,000 pound winch and the Zeon 10. So we went with the 12,000 pound winch because in the end, we're gonna have a little bit more pulling power. We went with that slimline Grim Off-Road aluminum fairlead, and we topped everything off with a Factor 55 Pro Link E. And I really like this because we're going from an open loop system with that hook that can possibly come unhooked during a winching operation, and we're going to a closed loop system. So once it's all together, it's not gonna come apart. And the Pro Link E is nice because it's got a nice smooth radius, so we can use a soft shackle on it. And it has a large enough hole in it that we can use either end of a hard shackle. So you use that screw pin end or the bow shackle end of it. And it really is the perfect complement for any winch install. Now the bumper does have provisions for the factory fog lights if yours are that 4-bolt Rubicon style mounting. And that's what we put in there for right now. It's just the factory fog lights that were on this Nighthawk Gladiator. Now we do want something brighter, so we have some aftermarket fog lights coming. And we're gonna let you guess of what those are. So meet me down in the comments section, throw down your guess. What kind of fog lights are we gonna put in there? And tell us, what do you think about this forged charcoal powder coat on the Hammer Series front winch bumper from Motobilt? Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.